Los Ángeles, centro de Los Ángeles, una bodega de cohetes se está quemando.
We move it because
that have arrived on scene, and we've moved into a defensive posture for the fire attack. Tragically, we have approximately 11 firefighters with burn injuries. Regarding their severities, we still don't have that confirmed. The building and business appears to be doing business as Smoke Toke's warehouse distributor, and the preliminary information is that it appears to be a supplier for those that make butane honey oil. You have a row of one-story commercial buildings, and when you see on that street the aerial ladder that has been thrown to the roof has significant charring. The fire truck that is completely across this street has been blackened. You can see firefighters' equipment that suffered some significant damage. So this is of paramount concern to determine exactly what caused this.